Hello, how you doing? Look, we're gonna make chicken curry today, but the big thing about this is we're using black chicken. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so what we're looking at is a black chicken. If you don't know what a black chicken is, that's one of them. Now, a black chicken, there's nothing been done to that. It's just a black chicken. It's just its feathers are black. Its pigment of its skin is black. You cook it just the same as normal chicken. It tastes just like normal chicken. In fact, the only difference you might find is that they're not mass produced. So it will actually taste like chicken instead of those chickens that are pumped full of, whatever, antibiotics and stuff like that. So you can see it's a little bit skinnier. It's not been pumped up with, to make it fat or anything. But yeah, you just cook it like a normal chicken. Okay, so look, I've chopped it up. The head's off, the legs are off and stuff like that. You can see that that's the chicken that we're going to be cooking with, and you can see that the meat is actually black as well. Everything about this chicken is black. Its feathers are black, the meat's black, the skin is black. It's just the pigmentation. It is actually a little bit tastier, I think, than regular chicken, just because it's a little bit more kind of organic, like I say, not mass produced. Okay, let's get going and we're going to cook this up. So we're going to curry this one up today. In there I've got 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using coconut oil. You can use a different oil if you want. We've got a couple of teaspoons of cumin seeds. I've just put the heat on, so we're just going to throw them in the oil when it gets hot, just for a few seconds. So those cumin seeds in there are going to infuse the oil, so don't skip this stage. We're on a just slightly above medium heat. So look, let's take our chicken. Let's get it in. And for about 4 or 5 minutes, let's just give it a head start, frying it around. Just a few minutes in there to get it on its way. We're going to now add 1 cup of onion. I'm using red onion and it's sliced. We're going to go for another 4 minutes. Fabulous. I've got 2 tablespoons here of ginger garlic paste. In that goes. A little bit of fresh chili. I mean, as much or a little as you like. Powders, let's take a look. We've got a teaspoon each of garam masala powder, cumin, turmeric and chili powder. In that goes. If you don't have these spices, you could just use some curry powder. We're going to go for another 3 minutes, but this time we're going to be stirring all of the time. Okay, I've now just turned the heat down to below medium. We're going to add salt. We're going to add 100 ml of water and 400 ml of coconut milk. We're going to give that a stir. We're going to let it go now for about 8 or 9 minutes. Pretty much done. Really delicious, simple chicken curry here. Okay, off goes the heat. Check that for salt. You can see that the coconut milk has thickened and darkened in color. That's not because of the chicken, by the way. That's just with the spices and as it's kind of reduced down. If you want, add some fresh cilantro or coriander to that. Really simple, beautiful chicken curry. And there you have it. So it's just a chicken curry. We just used black chicken with it. If you can get hold of black chicken where you are, give it a go. Like I say, because it's not been mass produced, they kind of come out at a kind of low rate. They're not pumped with antibiotics and stuff, feed that's going to fatten them up. So it will kind of taste like chicken used to taste maybe 50 years ago or something like that. I don't know that. I'm far too young. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe. Keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon. You can get it in an ebook, $3.99, very cheap. 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that. It helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.